Log into UCS with your credentials, and select the Admin tab on the left pane. Now you can see the backup configuration option under the management interface. Click on Backup Configuration. Click on Create Backup Operation. There are different types of backup options available with UCS Manager. First, I am going to take full state backup of UCS configuration. Backup can be taken on remote file system or local file system. Here, I am taking the backup in my local drive. Give a name for your backup file. Must give .xml in the last. Otherwise you won't be able to save the backup file. This process will take few minutes to complete. Please wait patiently. Now the backup process has been completed successfully, and I am going to save the file on my Downloads folder. I have completed the backup process with different options. Now you can see the backup files. It's mandatory to take the UCS backup whenever you do any changes on your environment. If you have any questions on backup, please put your question on the comment box. We can also create a backup job to schedule UCS backup daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Thanks for watching this video. I would appreciate if you could put your suggestions and queries in the comment box. If the video is informative, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.